four pillars: traditional healing, herbal research and study. Dear our respected powers and listeners, especially Ethiopian and people of Ethiopians. Region living abroad in United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, United States, China, France, Russia, Israel, South Africa, the former Soviet Union, and throughout the world. Our services. Number one, strengthening weak male sexual performance. Number two, restoring erectile dysfunction. Number three, improving size, firmness concerns. Number four, helping with premature ejaculation. Number five, treating internal infection. Number six, healing kidney disease within 7 days. Number seven, eliminating course from the body within 14 days. Number eight, removing diabetes from the body within 10 days. Number nine, treating stomach acid problems within 6 days. Number 10, relieving asthma and breathing problems within 3 days. Number 11, treating and removing hemorrhoids. Number 12, addressing financial difficulties, stresses, depressions, overthinking, conflicts. Number 13, supporting job creation, wealth building, and but living conditions. Number 14, providing solution for spiritual problems and negative spiritual problems. Number 15, helping connect marriage problems and restoring live and relationship. The above listen services are provided for both men and women. Addresses in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Available on WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, Imo, and Instagram. Call us, ask. Our week is released. Number phone 09 80 40 25 22. Thank you.